Nothing starts your day like a great shower. But wait, overnight, your shower head is a breeding ground for germs and bacteria. According to a recent study, that first blast of hot water in the morning can be packed with dangerous pathogens. Wake up to AquaCare, the breakthrough handheld shower head with antimicrobial nozzles that inhibit the growth of mold, mildew, and bacteria inside. Give it its Germ Shield antimicrobial technology that works 24/7 at a molecular level to protect AquaCare nozzles from bacterial contamination. Ordinary showerhead nozzles clog and lose water pressure, but AquaCare's anti-clog nozzles remain clogged. Convenient water-saving pause mode. You can use those in minutes. No tools needed, and no other showerhead can do this. Just flip the head, and AquaCare turns into a power wash. Use the fan spray to instantly rinse off soap, or the Target jet to blast away that stubborn scum buildup without setting foot in your shower. And it's ideal for pets. AquaCare is of your entire family. Call or go online to get your AquaCare with Germ Shield for the manufacturer's direct price of just $34.99 with an amazing lifetime warranty. It's the last shower and a low-reach wall bracket, ideal for children and seniors. Yours absolutely free. Plus, we'll ship your entire order free. You get it all. An incredible value for one low price.
Great responsibility. With SentrySafe, you'll have peace of mind, knowing you're protecting what's important and irreplaceable. Independent tests show that not all competitive safes offer adequate fire protection. SentrySafe fire safes are designed, built, and tested to meet tough UL standards for 1 full hour of actual fire exposure. Some competitive safes are fire rated to only 20 minutes, with temperature ratings below the UL standards. Your SentrySafe products also provide powerful protection against water intrusion and tough impact resistance that works even if a fire destroys the floor beneath the safe. SentrySafe. Peace of mind for a lifetime.